Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change an Audi Q5 tire. First, ensure your safety by parking on a level, stable surface, away from any traffic. Engage your parking brake and turn on your hazard lights. Then, locate your spare tire, the vehicle jack, and the lug wrench, which are typically stored in the trunk or under the cargo floor. Having these tools ready is crucial for a smooth process. Now, before lifting the car, use your lug wrench to loosen each lug nut on the flat tire. Turn them counterclockwise about 1/2 turn, just enough to break them free. Do not remove them yet. Next, position the jack correctly under the vehicle's frame at the designated jacking point. Carefully raise your Audi Q5 until the flat tire is fully clear of the ground. With the vehicle lifted, you can now fully remove the lug nuts and then carefully take off the flat tire. Set it aside. Next, lift your spare tire and align its holes with the wheel studs on the hub. Push the spare tire firmly onto the studs. Once it's seated, hand tighten all the lug nuts back onto the studs, ensuring they are snug. Finally, carefully lower your Audi Q5 until the spare tire is resting on the ground, but the full weight is not yet on it. Now, use your lug wrench to fully tighten all the lug nuts in a star pattern for even pressure. Once tightened, lower the vehicle completely. Remember to check the spare tire's air pressure and drive cautiously to the nearest service center for a permanent repair.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.